Welcome to the detailed explanation of Bhagavad Gita Chapter 12, verse 2, where Krishna begins responding to Arjuna's profound question about devotion. The verse is, Ye tv aksharam anirdesyam avyaktam paryapasate, sarvatra gam sintiam cha. Kudistham akalam dhruvam. Krishna says, there are seekers who worship the formless, eternal, indescribable absolute. They meditate on that which is everywhere, unchanging, and everlasting. This verse describes the second path Arjuna mentioned in verse 1, the path of nirguna upasana, devotion to the formless God. Let's break it down. Small diamond, aksharam. The imperishable Krishna refers to the unchanging, eternal reality that never dies, never decays, never shifts. Small diamond, anirdesyam. Beyond description, this absolute cannot be imagined, described, or visualized. It cannot be captured by words or forms. Small diamond, avyaktam. The unmanifest, it has no shape, no color, no physical presence, yet it is the source of everything. Small diamond, sarvatra gam. Present everywhere, the formless divine is omnipresent, existing in every direction and in every being. Small diamond, sintiam. To be meditated upon, it cannot be worshipped through idols or rituals, but only through deep meditation and contemplation. Small diamond, kudistham. Unchanging foundation, it remains the same throughout all time, the silent witness behind the universe. Small diamond, akalam dhruvam. Steady and eternal, it does not move, does not transform. It is the eternal truth. Krishna is telling Arjuna, there are seekers who choose this subtle path. This path is for those whose minds are naturally philosophical, silent, and deep. They meditate on pure consciousness, the formless divine that cannot be seen but can be felt as awareness. But Krishna is also implying something important. This path is extremely difficult. Why? Because the mind always wants form, shape, direction, relationship. To meditate on the formless requires a stable mind, a detached heart, and enormous discipline. In the next verse, Krishna clearly explains how challenging it is. But here, in verse 2, Krishna honors this path. He says, even those who meditate on the formless eventually reach me. Krishna is showing his universal compassion. He does not limit himself to any one type of worship. He accepts love in all forms, with form, without form, emotionally, silently, through devotion, through meditation. This verse teaches us that spirituality is vast, and your path depends on your nature. If your heart seeks a personal God, Krishna accepts you. If your mind seeks the infinite, Krishna accepts you. Both paths lead to him. To understand Krishna's full comparison of both paths, continue to the next verses in the link below.